Business sentiment worsened in July for the manufacturing and service sectors, according to a Taipei-based think tank.
The Taiwan Institute of Economic Research released its latest business climate survey on Wednesday. Its composite index for the service sector dropped 1.34 points from a month earlier, falling for a fourth consecutive month.
Restaurants have reopened for dining in. With the easing of the epidemic, domestic consumption is picking up after losing momentum in the month of July. According to data compiled by the Taiwan Institute of Economic Research, the business climate worsened last month in both the manufacturing and service sectors. Sentiment improved only in the construction industry.
Manufacturing was affected by recent supply chain instabilities, the abnormal climate, and impact from the Delta COVID virus. Sentiment in the sector turned slightly conservative. As for domestic demand, because COVID restrictions had not been fully lifted, the numbers dropped a bit more.
According to TIR, the manufacturing sector struggled in July under the impact of Delta and global supply chain disruptions. Manufacturing also faced pressure from material shortages and rising freight rates. As a result, the business climate worsened slightly compared to June. As for the service sector, sentiment fell by 1.34 points, an improvement compared to the 5.46-point drop 1 month before. But TIR says the sector remains in urgent need of stimulus.
For the month of August, going off a survey conducted by the Economics Ministry's Department of Statistics, retail and catering sales should be higher than July levels. We hope that sales will rebound gradually as they had last year.
Although the easing pandemic is expected to drive spending, last month's stock market correction could offset its effects. The closures of physical stores further complicate recovery. According to TIR, businesses don't see revenues changing in the second half of the year. TIR says that improving the vaccination rate will be key to restoring domestic demand.